come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
So this the old washer and dryer. Don't mind all of that. I don't care. Don't mind it. This is the old one. So I remember I told you we getting a new washer and dryer. Yes, honey. Stay tuned. What y'all think it's gonna look like? This got to go. This is like from 1982, when the year I was born. Okay. What the hell is that? GE? Oh, that's so old. Okay, let's do a before and after check. Yeah, before. After. Ooh, la la. Oh, so white. Very demure. Very mindful. Okay, these are the seasonings I'm using to make my lentil soup. The water is boiling. I'm gonna put some butter in it. Let's put some of these in there. I think that's it. A little too much, but whatever. I'm gonna put more water. So I got onion powder, garlic powder, organic of course. I got oregano leaves, Larry's seasoning salt. I have parsley flakes. I have Mrs. Dash, the original, no salt added, bay leaves, and some tomato basil seasoning. So I'm gonna put my Caribbean green seasoning on my sofrito. So I'll probably put my sofrito because that's for soups. And that's red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, whatever. Red onions, white onions, garlic, and thyme, and I believe that's it. Yep. Alright, we'll be back. So it's looking like that right now. Okay, I added all the seasonings to it. Remember, these the lentils. So they just boil and they go to bay leaf. Okay. I'm just gonna stir it up, and then I'm gonna make some fresh sofrito. Some Caribbean sofrito, yes. On my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, one word. So let me get it done while this is boiling, and it's 11:06. Can somebody tell me what kind of squash this is? I don't know, but either way, I'm tired of looking at it. So I am gonna take my knife, put it in here, and put it in the oven. All right, wish me luck. So I done chopped it up. Okay. And that's what it looks like. So basically, see, I was trying. But we are gonna put these pieces in the oven just like this. I'm gonna cut this off and see, because I don't know. I thought I was recording me cutting it, but I guess the camera was hating on me. So we're gonna just boil it, steam it, bake it, whatever, and put some butter, and that's it. Because squash is squash. I don't care. Okay, so here goes the sofrito. I'm about to get it in. Here we go. See, that's the garlic, the fresh garlic. Let's cover it up. And I'm gonna use this. Just turn it and push it. Really getting good. So here it is. Yep. So I turn the fire down. Here go the soup. See, it's been cooking. It's 12:21. I added some of this better than bouillon roasted chicken base, reduced sodium. And now we are gonna put in some of this sofrito. I didn't have red bell peppers, so I just had to use what I had. That's why it's not red. But y'all already know sofrito could be green also. So And I like a lot of seasoning. So we're gonna put 3. There go the bay leaf, yes. Stir it up. So I was just in the mood. It's really cold outside and I just felt like having some soup. Have y'all ever just wanted some soup? I mean, oh, I love it. And I'm about to add some alkaline water and call it a day. Okay. Yummy. I put it in the oven. I put some of the sofrito on it. And here you go, the rest of it. It looks so delicious. Look at the lentils. Look at my new ice. It's the balls, the circles, or whatever. So cute. Look at this. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. You can see it. Uh-oh. See? So cute. How cute it is. Oh my god, it's like a perfect round circle. Look at this. So cute. One more. So cute. Cute. Okay, soup is done. Done. And the oven is on 400 with the squash. I'll show it to you. So let's pour it out. Ooh. Yes, honey. Not too much. Okay. So who has had the other lentils? You know, it's like they brown, but these are like the red ones. I put the bag back, but these are the brown ones. So bon appetit. Let's see the squash. See what it's looking like. Yes. Okay, it's looking good, honey. And I'm gonna mash it up. So stay tuned. Okay, it should be done. Let's get it. Ooh, look how pretty. Yes. Isn't this cute? Okay. So, I'm thinking I'm gonna scoop it out. Right, and then put some butter. Look how soft it is. Who wants some squash? Let me know in the comment section what kind of squash this is, because I don't know. I just got tired of looking at it. Okay, let's see how pretty. Ooh, I can make some pumpkin pie. Who wants some pumpkin pie? Or some pumpkin soup? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna squish this up, scoop it out, and add butter. I'll be back. Here's an update. So I took some out, right? These are so soft. See, this is the inside. Right? So I'm gonna basically blend it up. I know, but don't put it by the food. I'm gonna blend it up. Look, let me show you how soft it is. See? Whoa. Whoa. That's cool. Cool. So, see? You don't even have to scoop it out. It's so soft. I'm gonna put butter and some sweet milk and all the day. It's so sweet. Yeah. Look down. Go like this and turn around. Ooh, look at the hairstyle. What? Who did your hair?
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Ooh, turn around. Let me see. Let me see the front. Look at me. Yay. Cheese. Toy. What is it? It is Play-Doh. Are you excited? Yeah? Who got it for you? Mommy. Mommy's the best. I am, thank you. So let me see how it looks. It's on a slipper, that's the alligator, and then this is the Play-Doh. And then she got some other Play-Dohs that I got her. Pink one, and a what? Yep. Alright, so you're gonna do it later. Basically, we're gonna open it and put it in here, and then we're gonna push it down on it, and it's gonna come out his head like here. Whoa, isn't that cool? So cool. You wanna do it now? Alright, well, I don't know if Mommy can open it in one hand. Hey, go Mommy. Alright, let's see. Let me sit down. Alright. You got it? Let me see. Alright. Gotta squeeze it. Alright, there it is.
No one did tell you.
Right. Go ahead.
Well, I want it.
Let's see. Put some in there. Break some off. Put some in there.
Wow.
Let's see you do this.
A bird.
Pink and blue. That's right.
I like the tail.
Stuff it all the way in there. Good. It's in there?
It's almost in here.
Okay.
Oh, I turned him down.
Okay, that's good.
Now put it down.
Push it down. Whoa. So cool.
Now I turned it again.
Oh, man. All right, you gotta let me see it.
Now I put more here.
Okay, but let me see first before you do all that. Wow. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh la la. He's a cool alligator.
There's like more
Cool
here.
alligator, I know. Good job.